Hi, hi, hi. It is me. It is Indubitably Senise coming to you for day three of 12 days of Dooney, which features shoulder bags elevated. Let's see what's in store for day three. On day three, you will find 12 lovely items currently on sale. So you have the Pebble Grain Hobo, which you can get for 189 and four different colors. Lovely color options. You also have the Pebble Grain drawstring bag, which looks to be 10 different colors. Now, I am a sucker for a really good drawstring, y'all. And this one being priced at 179. This is a nice size bag, nice not so wide of a strap, but one nice strap nonetheless. Roomy bag, several color options to choose from. If you like that bumper look on the bottom of that bag, I think this is definitely a wonderful bag to add to your collection. Ooh, black is really hollering out because this bag is entirely black. 179 for that particular bag. Also, let's check out the suede hobo. The suede hobo has been popular this season, and you can get it over here on I Love Dooney as well. But I don't know if those color options are still available, but you can get it over here. You got three color options: brown, tea, marl, honey, and navy for 159. Ooh, I could just picture myself just gliding my hand over that suede. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The next item that is currently priced for the shoulder bag is the popular Florentine twist strap hobo, which is priced at 249. You also have the Greta Small Messenger, which is 109. And let's move on down to the Pebble Grain Hobo, which is 149, five color options there to choose from. You have the ostrich twist strap hobo. If I'm not mistaken, and I haven't looked at her video just yet, I believe that Miss P. Banks recently purchased this particular color, but I could be wrong. There's some video that I will be watching. Oh, look at that. Let's go into this. This is 199 for the ostrich. I'm really a fan. I'm almost becoming a huge fan of the ostrich. Uh, I really do like the way that it just looks. And let me also make sure that you all realize this is not real ostrich. It's the way that they go and they play with that leather and create a pattern that resembles the ostrich. So you can get it in, let's have seven color options. You have cognac. Let's go back. Gray, cognac, this beautiful marine, Bordeaux, burgundy, caramel, and coral. That coral is kind of close to that crimson, but of course that crimson is a little bit richer in red. Get this bag for 199. You also have the large sack in Greta Navy for 119. Uh-oh. Florentine Hattie, a staple piece in Dooney and Bourke, currently priced at 339. I think everybody should at least have one Hattie in their collection. That's just my opinion. Maybe because I only have one. You can get it in navy and black. Beautiful, beautiful bag. A crew, red, natural, and chestnut. Very lovely bag. I love the fact of the logo lock. Well, not the logo lock, but just the logo here. You have it where you can twist it into two different options, whether it be the duck on one side or I forgot what the other side is. The duck on one side, and let's see if I can recall, since I don't have it in my face, or it's just the Dooney and Bourke on one side. I got distracted for a second, you all. All right, let's look at the other bags. We have the Wayfarer Hobo, 119. Also, this Greta drawstring. I looked at this earlier on something and I was just like, And I don't have this particular drawstring, but this, when I saw it in the navy, it really captured me. As always, with any silhouette for navy and Greta, it definitely catches my eye. 139 for that. And then the last chance for the small Luca. Y'all been getting this small Luca drawstring bag. This is priced at 159. I'm happy that you all have been scooping it up because I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the price point. And that is the 12 days of Dooney, day 3. Is it day 3, y'all? Yeah, day 3. Shoulder bags elevated. Stay tuned for day 4. I don't know what it will be. Do you know? Because I don't know. But that is all. Thank you all for tuning in and stay tuned for a couple of more unboxings coming your way. All right. Have a good one.